Okay, jalapeno poppers, the quick way. First thing you better do is put on those gloves because you know why. You know why we wear gloves when you're working with jalapenos. You don't touch your eyes. You don't take a bite of nothing. Okay. One of the main things to do is have as much as your prep work done ahead of time as you can. To make it simple and fast, I cook my bacon and then take my handy dandy little scissors, cut it up after it cools so it's ready to go. Today, I'm making it with garden vegetable cream cheese. You can use any kind of cream cheese you like. One of my favorite things is actually to get jalapeno cheddar dip that you buy from the grocery store. And I mix that. What I'm going to do is take this garden vegetable cream cheese. I'm going to add some bacon to it. I'm going to add some cheddar cheese simply because we like cheddar, but you can add pepper jack. You could add anything you like. Stir that up. Get it to the right spreading consistency. Okay, I'm going to take one of these jalapenos. I'm probably not going to do them all. The bigger ones that you get from the store works better for stuffing, but these are just happen to be what I grew. Cut the end off just a little bit. Slice it in half. Actually, take the seeds out because that's where the heat is in those seeds. Pull that out. Then you're going to take a little bit of your stuffing. You're going to put that right in the center. See what I'm doing there? And then I'm going to put it in my little baking dish. Baking dish is overkill. I'm thinking since these were small, I'm wondering why I can't cut the end off. Instead of cutting it totally in half, directly in half, maybe just cutting the top off, which would give me more room. You can't see what I'm doing, which would give me more room for stuffing. Let's see what that does. I think that'll work. Okay, I'm pulling those seeds out from inside there, the membrane, and that gives me a little more room to stuff. I'm only doing that because these are the smaller jalapenos. You see how now I've got a deeper crevice there to stuff. Okay, put some of my cream cheese mixture in there. It maybe is not as pretty as the ones where you wrap it in bacon, but it's fast, and that's what I'm going on is fast. Okay, I'm going to try that again. Yeah, pull that membranes out. And actually, you can feed these. My understanding is you can feed these to the chickens because they don't taste heat, which is kind of interesting. So I'll save those little seeds for the chickens. Put some more stuffing mix in this. This is teaching my grandchildren how to cook from a distance. They do watch me on Facebook, so. We're having these for supper, so it's just me and my neighbor next door, so I don't have to have 25 of them. I keep bacon always. I bake my bacon in the oven, which is great, and so I have cooked bacon all the time, already made up. And that's an easy way to make your bacon. Cook it in the oven. It's just delicious that way, and it's not all that messy, greasy. You know, you have to keep draining that grease out. Okay. Then we're going to put these in the oven. We're going to bake them. I don't know if it's 325, 350. You just watch it. You know how to cook. You're probably not watching these for me to teach you how to cook. Because, you know, in this day and age, the age of Google, there is all kinds of cooking shows out there. I'm just showing you how I do it in the quick and easy way. When you go to take these gloves off, peel them inside out. I'm going to still use them, but I'm not going to show you step by step how I keep doing this. So, fast way to make stuffed jalapenos. Have a great day. For a taste test. I can't remember if I mentioned before that I did end up topping these with mozzarella cheese. I don't know if you can tell. But like I said, they're bite size. Let's give it a test. Really good. These are delicious. Not spicy. You could kick them up a notch if you wanted to, if you like spicy, but they're great just like they are. Easy, kids could make it. Go great with pizza, football parties. It's a keeper, that's for sure. Stuffed jalapenos from the garden to the table. They are delicious.